Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today we're gonna go pick up my Ducati from a place called Dr. Boozer Racing. You know, we've been there once before in one of my old videos. It had a clutch problem like I mentioned in the last video. It's fixed now. We're riding with Mithun. He's helping me get there and then ride the bike back home. Complete traffic. If it's moving, it's fine, but if it's stuck like this, then it's a problem. The thing about Ducatis and traffic, they don't go well together, so I'm just a bit worried. Don't really mind the rain. The only thing I mind is the traffic. I'm not used to sitting behind someone, you know, being the backpack, but it's fine. Macha, say hi. Even Mithun got a GoPro, so he can record the Ducati since he missed the reveal and stuff. So this is his first time seeing the bike live. The wet clutch. Dry clutch 3 months ago once change ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು. And it's like 1.5 lakhs and stuff. It's based on, you know, the weather and stuff like that, because it gets dirty easily over here. Or else you can keep it for longer if it's neat. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ dry clutch open ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದೇ ಹೈವೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. ಸಿಟಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಏನೋ ಮಳೆ ಟಿಪ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಬರ್ಸಾ ಪಾನಿ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೆನಪಿದ್ದೀನಾ? 10R ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ತೊಗೊಬಂದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಡುಕಾಟಿ ಇವಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, R1 ನೋಡಿ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಡುಕಾಟಿ. ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಪರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಹಾರ್ಡಲ್ಲ, ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದು ಡೆಡ್ ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಹಾಂ,
ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೌಡ್ ಇದೆ.
10R ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಲೌಡ್ ಇರೋದು. The bike is getting really hot. Yeah, well, it's fine. Valkyrie. Yep. The heat is just, oh no. I mean, it's fine, I can handle it, but it's getting to a point where I can't handle it. Oh my, I can feel the heat. No. Ow. Yeah, now I'm gonna suffocate because the eyes are closed. Actually, if I didn't plan on making this video, I would have just, you know, got the bike towed back home. But, you know, it's a good video and I get to ride the bike again. So, yeah, live testing if the clutch is actually fine or not. Give the green light. I can't handle this heat, man. What the hell? clean the bike too. Huh? 35 lakhs. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಂ ಡುಕಾಟಿ ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಂ ಕಾರು ಇದೆ. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.